Now, despite the strict lockdown measures, it's business as usual at Isipingo in Durban. The eThekwini region has been declared the epicenter of the COVID-19 infections in KwaZulu-Natal, with authorities promising extra vigilance. Now, the KwaZulu-Natal government is expected to announce some more measures to deal with those refusing to comply with regulations. I want to bring in now a reporter, Vusi Khumalo, who's, I understand, in Isipingo. Vusi, a very good morning to you. Tell us about the situation where you are.
Yes, Blaine, as you said in your intro, that down here at Isipingo, it's business as usual. Well, as you can see, that people are going on about their normal business of the day. Even the queues at these shops there. You can see that you can even easily notice that they are not maintaining the 1 meter or 2 of the regulations that are being said, regulations by the state president Cyril Ramaphosa. There's so many queues are here. You can actually see people within a touching distance in between them. But there's also hawkers as well as street vendors who are here. But they are saying that they are actually following the regulations of providing sanitizers to the customers when people are buying from them. Well, it's actually, I was speaking to one of the lady here who is a hawker. She's saying that it feels like it's December already. It feels like it's a festive season already here due to the number of people who are here in town at Isipingo. Well, actually, this is Isipingo town is actually south of Durban. This is the same area where the first case, the first case here at Isipingo area, a teacher, a 46-year-old teacher, died as a result of the COVID-19. So that teacher, a 46-year-old teacher, was teaching here at Isipingo area. She's also from the nearby township of Umlazi. Well, let me also maybe try to speak to one of the hawkers here, Mama Unomusa Makanya. Mama, sicela usitshele nje ukuthi ngokwakho ukubona ke la kumi kanjani ukudayisa njengoba sekuyi-lockdown. Siyacabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe iy'namba zabantu zehlile noma zandile. Ngokwebhizinisi lenu kumi kanjani? Zokubambela imali. Ngokwebhizinisi lethu sabawuhebi.
Ngokwebhizinisi lethu sabahwebi sabadayisi sinciphile ngoba abahwebi abaningi abasekho, akuvumelekile sidayise okunye kuthiwa sidayise i-fruits and veg. So abanye bethu abekho, mhlawumbe more than 300 engekho, mhlawumbe most ekhona incane kakhulu.
Okay, manje in terms of isibalo sabantu abazothenga kumi kanjani lapho, kodwa ngoba siyabona ngazi ukuthi abantu basebaningi kakhulu la Isipingo.
Hayi, abantu abathenga baningi abantu abathengayo.
Ibhizinisi lakho limi kanjani?
Li-right, hamba kahle. Asinankinga nakho.
Anankinga. Yebo. Kukhona ukukhathazeka kwenu mhlawumbe nakho in terms of ama-sanitizer nezinjani la?
Yebo, sikhathazekile, asinama-sanitizer, asinazo ifonyo first siyithengele, nabantu baningi asicele sesiyithengela nje ububona kungaka nje. Kungaka i-sanitizer iziphele ngiphinde ngiyothenga enye. Sicela uhulumeni asisize asixhase ngama-sanitizer. Ney'foni sonika abantu ngoba sinazo.
Yeah. One of the hawker here, Mamunomu Samakanya, is saying that she has to buy her own sanitizers. She's urging government to ensure that they buy them sanitizers so that the customers are being sanitized whenever they're buying their products. She's saying that it's business as usual since the lockdown took place. Even though their numbers, the hawkers, has dwindled, but the number of customers and people passing by here, it hasn't been much different. It's much more the same, just like before the lockdown took place on the 26th of March. Well, let me maybe try to speak to other people who may be willing to talk to us. I can see they're very shy, they're media shy kind of people who are here, but it's business as usual here down at Isipingo area. That's what I can say. Then maybe I can also mention that last night during the technical briefing with the MEC of KwaZulu-Natal, MEC for Health in KwaZulu-Natal, as well as with the Minister of Health, Zweli Mkhize, she was saying that, Noma Kukusmelani was saying that they are beginning to have a surge in terms of local transmissions. Yeah. In KwaZulu-Natal, with 909 people now having been confirmed to have the COVID-19 confirmed cases or positive cases of COVID-19.
Yeah, we remember that Professor Karim was talking about the 3 different waves in terms of spread. The first wave, obviously, those that were coming from abroad, and then the interactions with health officials as well. And then you have this third wave, which is the concern, the internal spread, the community spread that is worrying many health officials, worrying many experts. Looking at the numbers in KwaZulu-Natal, over 900 cases reported, around 30 deaths, we're told, reported deaths in the province. Are you getting a sense, when you test the temperature of views on the ground, Vusi, are you getting a sense that people are taking the regulations, for one, seriously?
Well, playing due to the levels of noises here, I can hardly hear you. But what I can tell you is that those 909 cases, the MEC was saying that in KwaZulu-Natal, they are beginning to see a surge in the number of, localized transmissions, saying that they are now going to intensify their campaigns of screening as well as testing people. She was saying that over the past 2 weeks, they've screened over 1 million people. Well, Isipingo hasn't been seen that much of testing as well as screening taking place. We saw the campaign that was done at a nearby township, Umlazi, especially as Q section and U, whereby they took that campaign to ensure that they screen and also test people, referring people for testing. Well, but it's a cause for concern, especially here at Isipingo, where it seems as if it's business as usual. As you can see, people are just going on about their daily activities here with no strict regulations being followed by the people here at Isipingo area. But the Premier also did say that they'll intensify their campaign to ensure that people do follow strict regulations that's been set out by the state president.
Numbers as it stands, KwaZulu-Natal 919 in terms of fatalities. 30 people have died due to COVID-19 related illnesses, and 241 people have since recovered. Vusi Khumalo, live for us in Isipingo. Thank you very much indeed, sir.